What up, Onlineboss in the house. I'm a boss, you're a boss, we're all online bosses. Guys, remember, everyone's got their agenda. My agenda in life is to make as many online bosses as I can. It's easy, guys. To make $10,000 every month is easy. My companies earn 10 times as much as that. We have sectors of our company that earns 3-4 times of that. Guys, it's simple. The business model is simple. It's all about just following trends, seeing what's working, trying different things and failing. This is what I'm here to show you guys, all the different ways to make money. But predominantly, I'm crypto. My background is crypto. I made my millions from crypto. I don't believe there's not opportunities for you to make the kind of money that I made right now in crypto, but you need to keep on the market because trends come all the time. This is what he's saying. You want to watch all my YouTube videos from the start to the end because you get little bonuses, little golden nuggets here and there. But it boils down to, guys, is that crypto will change the finance system as you know it. Web3 is the new sector of the internet, and there's going to be so many opportunities. The biggest opportunities was last year with meme coins and NFTs, and I made millions from them. There'll be more narratives, so stay with it, guys. And also, I'm going to teach you guys how to open up your own NFT marketing agency, just like mine. And also, I'm gathering a team together to teach drop shipping, to teach affiliate marketing, to teach ad copy, to teach it all in one place. So keep an eye out for that, guys. It's going to be huge. All right, guys. So as you seen by the thumbnail, Vitalik Buterin has said some crazy things. But it's not crazy, but it's a very surprising, should we say. But we'll come back to that later on in the video. But it's very entertaining, and we can discuss why he says that. Okay, first of all, let's just have a look at the markets. What's going on with crypto right now? As I said, guys, we're still in a bear trend. But in a bear trend, we can have bullish momentum. Right now, Bitcoin's doing nice, Ethereum's doing nice. Ethereum is kind of moving the market, and there's a lot of talks about Ethereum flipping Bitcoin, guys. So basically, Ethereum could be number one and Bitcoin number two, because of this Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum is going from proof of work to proof of stake. So now people can stake their Ethereum to become validators. So it's very interesting and it's very rewarding. This is why Ethereum's going up, because people are buying their Ethereum because there's a date's been announced, so they can stake and they can earn passive income, which is great. Okay, guys, let's have a look at some news. The worst of the Bitcoin and crypto capitulation may be over, says Glassnode. Glassnode is a kind of reputable company that puts out loads of charts, stats, and looks at all data. So nice to see, nice to hear things like this, that we could potentially hit the bottom. Me personally, don't think we hit the bottom. I think we've got another leg up, then a big capitulation down, and some sideways movements for a bit, and then moving again for the next Bitcoin halving. All right, then, guys. Okay, so the merge is Ethereum's chance to take over Bitcoin. Researcher says, a bit like I was on about, this merge can potentially take Ethereum to the number one place. Okay, Ethereum's transaction to a proof of stake consensus mechanism will transform its monetary policy, potentially making it even more scarce than Bitcoin. Wow, that is big talks. Bitcoin. Oh, and another reason why Ethereum is a good bet, guys, because basically Ethereum's going to go green. Basically, because it's not like Bitcoin. Bitcoin's proof of work, so it takes a lot of energy. So this can be Ethereum's kind of unique selling point to get institutions involved. And now with this merge, it's literally burning a lot of Ethereum as well. So it's making Ethereum deflationary. So Is Bitcoin a good buy? Hell yeah. Would I start buying now? No. Would have bought it when it was $1,000 and maybe wait for a capitulation. And if we don't get a capitulation, then we'll have loads of opportunities anyway in the market. Okay, so check this video out. I put it on my TikTok and my YouTube, guys. If you're not on my TikTok and on my YouTube, you need to be following Onlineboss _ on TikTok and just Onlineboss on YouTube. So listen to this. This is funny.
And I think they'll definitely welcome proof of work fans. It's not even a joke. Like, if you like proof of work, you should go use Ethereum Classic. It's a totally fine chain. Classic, which is the original Ethereum, which did not betray the vision by forking the DAO. It's a very welcoming community, and I think they'll definitely welcome proof of work fans. It's not even a joke. Like, if you like proof of work, you should go use Ethereum Classic. It's a totally fine chain.
Okay, so basically Vitalik, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, basically tells people to use Ethereum Classic. So you understand, guys, some people are just coming to crypto, especially from a TikTok. So I'm bringing a lot of people, you guys, into crypto. So I'm going to tell you some basic level stuff. So Ethereum Classic was the original Ethereum, and long story short, it forked off some sort of discrepancy, forked off. I think it got hacked, actually, if I come to think about it. Something got compromised, so I had to fork it. Anyway, or a hack. Yeah, so then Ethereum Classic was the old chain, and the new chain was Ethereum, and it forked. So then all the developers, most developers, big developers are on Ethereum, but Ethereum Classic is still running. But now when Vitalik is saying things like this, it makes people think, okay, do they need to invest into Ethereum Classic as well? That's a good chain. And then, guys, another thing as well, like, imagine if this Ethereum 2.0 doesn't work, maybe this proof of stake doesn't work. That's going to give volume and eyes on Ethereum Classic. Who knows? Speculation. Guys, remember, please, everything's speculation in crypto. And please, don't listen to me. Don't listen to anyone on YouTube. Make your own opinions, okay? These are just opinions and speculation. No one knows anything crypto. This is what I can teach you guys to understand. No one knows anything. The purpose of my channel is to bring you guys news, tips, and tricks, right, and narratives. But it boils down to anything can happen. All right, then, guys. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to hear more amazing content. Follow. Check this other video out up here, guys. It's what you want to see. And till the next time, peace out.